Welcome to my video. Today we're gonna do it a little bit differently. Today I'm gonna be cleaning my workshop, and to do that I need to clear out everything, and it's all for a good reason, because I'm getting some new tools and some new equipment to start in the near future with some actual prototyping of some of the designs that I have been making in some of my other videos. So therefore a lot of cleaning, spring cleaning. The issue with space is always that you have also a lot of stuff you can store, and that's a little bit the same with my workshop. A lot of stuff that I've saved up with the idea of ever using it again, and in the end I never did that. So finally threw out a lot of stuff so I could make a space, and I needed space to create another workshop, or another workbench I should say. And so a little bit later on you'll see me starting welding up a frame and mounting a table on there, and from there on out yeah, a new work area is being created in this video. So on one side I have a wooden frame, and on the other side I'm making a new steel frame, and that steel frame I'm gonna use to cross over to that old wooden frame. And also I will be mounting it to the workshop wall to have it nice and stiff, and then also make a bar up front in which I can mount the lights. Then the table will stick out a little bit to the front, and with all the new equipment that I will get, I can mount it on there and then work from there. In the next video I will show the end result of the design of what I've been doing so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes you gotta clean to get yourself ready for something new and for something better, and I hope that by cleaning my workshop I can now start handling some of the projects that are only in CAD at this point in time, and start producing some of the actual ideas that are in my head. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.